you. In this video, I'm going to show how convert the PPT into a video. So it's a very useful video for educators, presenters and teachers who are going to convert their PPT into a video. PowerPoint application is only needed thing and we need not to install any external software applications. And I'm going to create a blank presentation. For your more convenient, I'm going to add some content. After created the PPT only, we can start recording. Okay, that's all. So this is my slide. You can add many slides. And after created the PPT, you click Slideshow button and here you can see record slideshow. So click that, click start recording from beginning and start recording. So here your PPT is recording. Yes, you can see this button, your PPT is recording. And here we have options like a pen, laser point, highlighter. So by using this you can highlight your words and pen for any corrections like that. And this is one more option. So we can use these options. And after created the video, just you click close button or escape button. Click keep for keeping these marker pen. That's all, your video is now ready. You can see the speaker button here, click that. So here your PPT. After these steps, save the file, click save as wherever you want, but save the file as a MP3 or MPEG-4 video. Save. Okay, I have the name already. Okay, save. That's all. Your video is now converting. See this creating video. And before save the video, you can trim your audio also. I will show you. Click playback and trim audio. By moving green button, you can change your start time, red for end time. So that's all. It only take 1 minute. That's all. Okay, finished. Already saved. Okay, here we can see our video. See this? So that's all. Your video is ready now. Thank you.